Hello, good day everyone. I'm Markaman J. Espera from BetELX1B, here to present the geometric shapes topic, mathematics in the modern world. Geometric shapes have fascinated throughout the history in the fields of art, science, engineering, interior, designing, and many other professors. Mathematicians have constructed ideal representations of the shapes and developed methods in obtaining the measurement of lengths, one-dimension areas, two-dimension areas, and volumes, and three dimensions. The interior angles of a polygon are the angles inside the shape. In general, for a polygon with has sides, the sum of the internal angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And if the polygon is regular, the measurement of each polygon is 360. So, the interior and the exterior angles of each vertex on a polygon up to 180 degrees. So, ilagay muna natin yung mga pangalan ng mga shapes, which is, ang 8 sides is octagon. Then, yung 9 sides is nonagon. Then, lastly, yung 10 sides is decagon. Then, dito naman tayo sa kung paano makukuha yung sum of the interval angles. Then, yung n is the sides of angle, yung minus na sa 2 times 180. So, yung n, which is 7, minus natin sa 2. Then, times natin siya sa 180 degrees. Then, equals natin siya. Ang kakalabasan po is 900 degrees. Then, i-divide po natin. Divide siya natin by 2. Then, ilalabas is 128.57 degrees. Ito yung 900 degrees. Tsaka yung 158 degrees. Ilalagay natin siya doon sa may answer. Sa may sum of angles, sum of interval angles, tsaka measurement angle of regular polygon. Then, save lang din yung process sa ibang shapes. Like yung octagon is 1080 degrees. Yung nonagon is 1260 degrees. Yung decagon is 1440 degrees. Sa may regular polygon naman is yung octagon is 135 degrees. Yung nonagon is 140 degrees. And yung last is decagon is 145 degrees.